The Diesel Particulate Filter System, or DPF, is included in the Kia Diesel Vehicle Emission System. DPF traps PM or soot particles from the exhaust gases of a diesel engine to reduce overall emissions. PM or soot is burnt off periodically to make sure that the DPF does not get choked. This process of cleaning the DPF is called DPF regeneration. Particulate matter keeps on accumulating in the DPF as the vehicle is driven, but rapid accumulation may happen on short trips or at low speeds. DPF regeneration may happen automatically depending upon driving conditions. This process is called self-regeneration. Self-regeneration may not happen in case of frequent short trips or during continuous driving in heavy traffic or hills. DPF-related notifications are shown to the driver through the DPF indicator and other warning messages on the cluster screen. In case the DPF indicator is blinking, it indicates DPF soot deposit has reached critical levels. Now, we need to attempt self-regeneration. For self-regeneration, drive the vehicle at more than 60 km per hour or drive in second or higher gear for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, maintaining engine RPM in the range 1500 to 2500 RPM until warning indicator switches off. If the warning indicator continues to blink despite the procedure, contact the nearest authorized Kia dealer. In case the DPF indicator is continuously on with sound, it means the DPF is almost fully clogged. Then you may need to do manual regeneration. For manual regeneration, park vehicle in a safe zone. Ensure fuel at 1/5 level and open the hood to prevent engine overheating. Engage the parking brake and shift gear lever to neutral or P state. Then turn on the engine and warm the engine till the engine temperature gauge is at middle position. Turn on the air conditioner and set blower to maximum. Turn on high beam and rear defog function if equipped. Press and hold the OK button on the steering wheel control until regeneration filter message appears. Let the engine run till regeneration is complete. Once the regeneration is complete, a message will appear. Filter regeneration complete. Restart engine. Turn the engine off and restart it. The DPF indicator should disappear once the process is complete. If not, then you should visit the nearest authorized Kia service center.
Kia, movement that inspires.